Hi everyone, this is Stephen from Share Navigator. It's November the 20th and this is your day trading update. And we're going to focus in more so on gold today. We'll speak a little bit about FX. So let's get started. So first things first, we always check our economic calendar to see what's going on today before we start day trading, especially if you're doing it with a spread betting account. Or any type of account for that matter. You need to know what's coming up, and you can see we're busy enough day today from the US side. We've got jobs data out, non-farm payrolls, and a lot of this is delayed data, so it could impact the dollar. We've got a couple of Fed speakers as well today, existing home sales, so a lot going on with the dollar today throughout the day, and that's one of the reasons why we're going to steer clear of trading currencies for today. You could see a big move with the US dollar and Japanese yen yesterday as well. So we kind of avoided that because it continued to move upwards. So we're just going to focus in today on gold. And if we move back to our charts here very quickly. So we're looking on the left-hand side of the daily chart on golds. We can see here, it's been in a nice uptrend there since August of this year. It's rallied in a big way. It's pulled back a little bit, and now it's kind of just trending sideways. So we could say our medium-term trend on this is up. My own view is, in the longer term, we're probably going to have a retest of these highs at some stage. When is anybody's guess? Moving over to the right-hand side of the chart, you're looking at your 15-minute window here. So this is for our short-term trading. Now, we've been in and out of gold, I would say 7 to 8 times in the last 2 to 3 days. And our strategy is very, very simple on this. We're pretty much looking for RSI below 30. We buy and we get out and RSI gets back up to 50. And remember, this is the 15-minute bars we're looking at here. And then on the flip side, when it gets a little bit overbought here, we tend to short it. And again, these are just short-term trades. Our average trade length in this, guys, is 2 hours. So that's all we're in it for. And we've got our alerts set up where I'm getting pings to my phone when the certain conditions are met. And in I go and place the trade. Now, first of all, I always check the news, see is there anything coming out that we're not aware of, outside of the planned scheduled announcements that I just mentioned at the beginning. So that's what we're focusing in on gold. We got a trade ping this morning, and our time, Irish time, was 2:15 in the morning, and unfortunately I was asleep for that one, so didn't place that trade. So we're pretty much waiting again. You can see RSI is in the middle range, it's at 40ish. So sometimes, guys, when you're short-term trading, the best trades you make are the ones you don't. You don't try and force it. You let the trades keep coming back to you, and you've got to do that with gold. All these currencies, especially with the US dollar pairing, these non-farm payrolls today, they could change a lot. Retail sales could change a lot. So I think it's just too risky, to be quite honest with you. That's why I'm steering clear of it just for today. Let things settle down, and we get back on the currencies tomorrow at some stage. Okay, so that's it for today. Just focus in on gold, and if I get the alerts, I'll let you know. Okay, thanks and bye for now.